Today on the Wise News Network on Wise Wednesdays, we're here in the town of Waco, North Carolina, which is situated in Cleveland County on the eastern side. And today we have the mayor, John Barrett, with us today. And John, tell us a little bit about Waco and what all you guys have going on.
Well, thank you for coming out, Rusty. We really do appreciate it. Waco is an eastern part of Cleveland County. It was founded in 1880, and it's actually named after Waco, Texas. The post office began in 1880, and the first postmaster came back from Texas and actually suggested the name of Waco. Small community. We've really tried to do a lot of infrastructure work and just trying to make things a little bit better for the citizens of Waco.
Now, across the street here, I saw a new playground. Tell us a little bit about what's going on with the new playground.
Yeah, we're really pleased with that. Back in 2018, we started talking about putting a playground together. Waco was one of the only municipalities in Cleveland County that didn't have a playground. So we wanted something for the citizens of not only the town, but the community. So we started looking for funding, and we got delayed a little bit because of COVID, as everything else did. But we finally got our playground installed in November, earlier this month.
And how long did it take from the start of the project to the end?
We started really doing the hard work on it in 2018, and in June, this past June, we signed a contract with Elite Play Equipment out of Raleigh to put together our playground. We chose the types of equipment we wanted to use, and actually it's located behind the Waco Community Center, so it's a big draw there with the community center because it is a building that we rent quite often. They started construction on it in October, and they finished up just early this month.
And it is a public park, so the surrounding community can enjoy the park as well.
Oh, absolutely. We'd love for all the kids to come out and play there. It's something we want to do as a community. We feel like although we're a small town, we're also the big part of the community. So we want people to come out and play in the playground. That's why we built it. Population of Waco is, the last census I saw, which was a 2020 census, had us about 350. Population has grown and shrunk over the years, but we're about where we've been for the last 15, 20 years.
And before Waco, it was named something else, I believe?
Yeah, all the research I've done, it was named Ramsey's Crossings, and that was prior to 1880.
Wow, a lot of rich history in Waco. Also, you're having a Christmas contest, I understand. Tell everybody about the Christmas contest.
Yeah, a couple of years ago, we actually put together some new Christmas lights, and we got a grant to put up all new pole mount lights. So this year, we're going to do something a little bit different. We've got a Waco Lights Up for Christmas contest. We've actually sent out letters to all the homeowners in Waco. We've asked them to decorate their homes, and we're going to choose the most festive house in Waco. Cleveland County Chamber of Commerce is actually going to be the one doing the judging. And to entice people to decorate this year, we have offered to pay their power bill. Or first place is going to be a $250 cash check, and the second place house will get $150.
Wow, a free power bill paid or cash? That sounds like a deal.
That's what we're hoping. We're hoping it entices people to really decorate this year and make Waco very festive for the holidays.
Well, folks, there you have it. The town of Waco, a great little town with a new playground, a contest that may bring out a lot of good Christmas decorations. We'll see. Cash money and a free power bill, you can't beat that. So today on Wise Wednesdays, we visited Waco, North Carolina, a great little city. Come out and visit. You'll enjoy it. Thank you.